Hello everyone, this is Satish Kumar, lecturer in Electronics and Communication Engineering, working at Government Polytechnic Masaptank, Hyderabad, Telangana. Welcome to my video class. I am teaching analog communication subject for 3rd semester for Diploma in ECE branch in Telangana state. This analog communication subject contains 6 chapters, out of which 5 are completed. The 6th chapter now we are dealing. In 6th chapter, its name is Engineering Applications. It's a combination of all the chapters with their problems. And we need to solve all the problems, and we need to design, and we need to apply the formulae, the rules, theorems which are there in 1st chapter to 5th chapter. Till now we solved problems on noise, noise SNR, noise figure, noise temperature, problems on amplitude modulation. In AM we calculated bandwidth, modulation index, transmitted power, frequencies of the side bands, whereas problems on FM, in FM problems we calculated bandwidth, time domain equation, modulation index, frequency deviation. So these are the even power also, power delivered to a load. In today's class we are going to discuss about problems on image frequency rejection ratio of receivers. Now in this session we are dealing with problems on image frequency, and before solving let me explain what is image frequency and its image frequency rejection ratio. The image frequency is one which is having a value of double the IF that of your desired frequency. In radio receivers, when you apply super heterodyne receiver, I'll take blank page and I'll explain you. In radio receivers, there is a mixer, there is a local oscillator here, and there is RF amplifier, and the output of mixer is given to IF, and here the purpose of IF is to amplify 455 kHz frequency only, and it does not amplify other frequencies. And for that the mixer will generate only 455 kHz by subtracting the local oscillator frequency and RF amplifier. Here the local oscillator frequency is indicated by F0, RF amplifier frequency is indicated by Fs. Let's say there are many frequencies starting from F1 to F3, and your desired frequency is tuned at local oscillator in such a way that its frequency is tuned in such a way that the desired frequency plus IF. When you want to tune Fs, the local oscillator frequency is designed in excess of IF, such that the difference between local oscillator frequency and RF amplifier will be IF, that is 455. Let us say there is one more frequency whose value is Fs plus 2IF, which is also there in the output of RF amplifier. When you want to tune Fs, automatically local oscillator is tuned to Fs plus IF, and we are expecting that the IF value will come over at the output of mixer, but there is one more frequency whose value is Fs plus 2IF. The difference between Fs plus 2IF and Fs plus IF also IF. That means in addition to Fs, this frequency will also enter at the output of mixer, and that will enter into IF amplifier. Hence this is image of this original or desired signal, hence it is called image frequency. Okay, let us say there is frequency of 1000 kilohertz is your desired one, then the local oscillator is tuned to 1000 plus 455, and there is one more frequency, that is image frequency FSI, whose value is 1000 plus 2 times of 455, that is 1955. Okay, this is desired frequency, this is the local oscillator frequency, and this is image frequency. From this, the formula for image frequency is FSI is equal to Fs plus 2IF. SI is equal to Fs plus 2IF, and its rejection ratio is given by one plus alpha square rho square. I think there is a formula, we will see what is the where alpha is equal to gain at image frequency by gain at signal frequency, right? Q square plus rho square, not alpha square, Q square plus rho square, it is Q, where Q is equal to quality factor, that is bandwidth by resonant frequency, resonant frequency by bandwidth. What is Q? Q is equal to bandwidth by resonant frequency, and rho is equal to gain at image frequency by gain at signal frequency. The rejection of an image frequency by a single tuned circuit is the ratio of the gain at signal frequency to the gain at the image frequency. It is given by alpha, that is equal to 1 plus rho square into Q square, where rho is equal to Fs by Fs minus Fs by Fsi, and Q is the loaded Q of tuned circuit, right? So these are the formulae you should remember. There is a single tuned circuit which is used to limit the image frequency into the IF amplifier, that means it stops the image frequencies by a single tuned circuit. For every tuned circuit there is a quality factor Q, whose value is bandwidth by resonant frequency. I will write once again the two formulae. In general, image frequency formula is equal to Fs plus 2IF, where Fs is the desired signal frequency, IF is the intermediate frequency. For AM its value is 455 kilohertz, for FM its value is 10.9 megahertz. And image frequency rejection ratio is given by alpha, that is equal to 1 plus Q square into rho square, where Q is equal to quality factor, whose formula is not bandwidth, resonant frequency by bandwidth, it's a unitless quantity. In general, the image frequency rejection is a ratio of two gains. One is gain at image frequency, gain at signal frequency. When you derive all the formula, you will get under root of 1 plus Q square rho square. Q generally is meant for tuned circuit. First problem: when a super heterodyne receiver is tuned to 555 kHz, its local oscillation provides the mixer with an input of 1010 kHz. What is the image frequency? Fs is equal to 555 kHz, F0 is equal to 1010 kHz. The intermediate frequency is 555 kHz. The intermediate frequency is 455 kHz. What is the image frequency? Here they provided output of low oscillator, output of super heterodyne receiver, and you need to calculate what is the image frequency, right? It's very simple. I will take a diagram so that you can understand. There is super heterodyne receiver. For this, in this there are main blocks, RF amplifier, mixer and local oscillator. Local oscillator frequency is F0, his value is 1010 kHz, and desired frequency Fs equal to 555 kHz. And what is the IF? From the formula, F0 is equal to Fs plus IF. The local oscillator is tuned in such a way that its frequency is maintained in excess of IF with the desired frequency. That means from this, what is IF? IF value is, the formula for IF is F0 minus Fs. What is F0? 1010 kHz minus 555 kHz. Finally, the value of IF is 455 kHz. Then the image frequency. What is the value of image frequency? The formula for image frequency is Fs plus 2 times of IF. What is Fs? 555. What is IF? 455 into plus 2 into 455, that is 900. 910. 555 kHz plus 910 kHz, and you will get 965 plus 500, 1465 kHz is the image frequency. Let us see what is there. Yes, 1465. It's not megahertz. Yes, 1.465 megahertz or 1465 kilohertz. It is written there, right? In this way you can calculate image frequency as well as IF also. So the formula we should remember is alpha Q F0 FSI. Right, once again the formulae which are required for solving the problems. One is local oscillator frequency F0 is equal to Fs plus 2IF, and image frequency is equal to FSI is equal to Fs plus 2IF. It's not 2IF, here there is no 2IF. Fs plus 2IF, and alpha is image frequency rejection ratio is equal to 1 plus Q square plus rho square, where rho is equal to gain frequency by frequency of image signal by frequency of desired signal minus frequency of desired signal divided by FSI, and Q is equal to resonant frequency by bandwidth. These are the formulae. Local oscillator frequency fs plus if, image frequency fs plus 2if, image frequency rejection ratio under root of 1 plus q square rho square, where rho is equal to fs by fs minus fs by fsi. Q is equal to quality factor, that is resonant frequency by bandwidth, which is related to tank circuit or your tuned circuit. So in the first problem they provided local oscillator as well as fs. We need to calculate if, then we can calculate image frequency. Example 2, calculate image frequency rejection ratio alpha for a 1500 kHz carrier single tuned signal tuned in an AM receiver with a quality factor of 158. This is a problem we need to solve. Calculate the image frequency rejection ratio alpha for 1500 kHz carrier tuned in an AM receiver with a quality factor of tuned circuit of 150. The desired signal they provided and quality factor they provided. You need to calculate alpha. So before calculating alpha, you need to know rho. Then you can directly substitute alpha rho in the formula of image frequency rejection ratio. I will take an empty page. In the problem they provided quality factor Q, how much? 150. Desired station signal or desired frequency is 1500 kHz, and we are asked to calculate alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is equal to under root of 1 plus q square rho square. We don't know what is the value of rho, then we need to calculate rho. What is the formula for rho? Rho is equal to ratio of image signal frequency divided by signal frequency minus signal frequency divided by image frequency. So for this, you know desired signal frequency, but we don't know FSI. Then what is the formula for FSI? FSI is equal to Fs plus 2 times of IF. Here in AM receiver, the standard value of IF is 455 kHz. Then 1500 is the desired signal. 2 into 455, 910. 1500 plus 910, that will be 2410 is the image signal frequency. Let me see, is it correct or wrong? Yes, 2410 is the image frequency. Then calculate its value. What is the value of rho? Rho is equal to what is FSI? 2410. What is FS? 1500. What is FS? 1500 divided by what is FSI? 2410. The value comes around 0.984. Then you can calculate image frequency rejection ratio by substituting these in the formula of alpha, that is image frequency rejection ratio. What is alpha? Alpha is equal to under root of 1 plus q square rho square. What is q square? Rho square. Q is equal to 150 0.984. Then if you substitute all these in the calculator, you will get 147.603. 147.603 is the value of image frequency rejection ratio. 1 plus q square rho square under root of 1 plus 150 square into 0.984 square is equal to 147.603 is the image frequency rejection ratio. Example 3. For a Citizen's band receiver using high side injection with an RF carrier F0 27 MHz and IF center frequency 455 kHz, determine local oscillator frequency and image frequency. It's not 27 MHz, it is okay, it is 27 MHz only, right? Citizen's receivers, not AM receiver, Citizen's receiver. They provided FS and FSI. It's not FSI, FI, that is IF. They provided two things. You need to calculate one thing, image frequency and local oscillator. I'll take an empty page so that you can solve the problem in page. The example 3, they provided Fs is equal to 27 megahertz and Fi, that is IF, is equal to 455 kilohertz. The problem we need to do is we need to calculate F0 as well as FSI. Here you can write 455 kilohertz in terms of mega, that is 0.44, 0.455 mega. The first thing we need to calculate is local oscillator. What is local oscillator? F0 is equal to Fs plus Fi, that is IF. 27 mega plus 0.44455 mega, that is local oscillator frequency is 27.455 megahertz. Then image frequency FSI, Fs plus 2IF, Fs is 27 mega plus 455 plus 455, 910, that is 0.91 mega. Then image frequency is equal to FSI is equal to 27.91 mega hertz. Yes, they provided 27.9 mega. I'll show you the procedure. Fs 27 mega, IF 455 they provided, local oscillator as well as image frequency we need to calculate. I converted 455 kilohertz into mega, that is 0.455 mega. Then the image signal is given by Fs plus 2IF. Initially first we need to calculate F0, that is Fs plus Fi. Here Fi is nothing but IF. 27 mega plus 0.455 mega. The total value of local oscillator is 27.455 mega. Image signal frequency is equal to Fs plus 2IF, that is equal to 27 mega plus 0.91 mega, because 2 into 0.4445 becomes 0.910 or 0.91. Final image frequency value is 27.91 mega. We will go to next problem. Example number 4. In a broadcast super heterodyne receiver having no RF amplifier, the loaded Q of the antenna coupling circuit is 150. If the IF is 455 kHz, calculate the image frequency and its rejection ratio. So they provided Q 150, IF 455. At a signal frequency of 1400. Very simple. Summarize the problem. Example number 4. I'll take a blank page. (1400 455). Fs equal to 1400 kilohertz. IF they provided 455 kilohertz. Q they provided 150, and we need to calculate image frequency and its rejection ratio. FSI is equal to Fs plus 2IF. Fs 1400 plus 2 into IF, 2 into 455 910. That means 2310, right? Kilohertz is the image signal or image frequency. 2310 kilohertz is the image frequency. And image frequency rejection ratio, IRR or IMRR. The root of 1 plus q square by q square into rho square, where rho is equal to Fsi by Fs minus Fs by Fsi. First rho we need to calculate. Rho is equal to Fs by Fs, Fsi by Fs, and Fs by Fsi. 2310 by 1400 minus 1400 by 2310. And you will get 1.043 as the rho. .043. I will substitute. So is equal to 1 plus q square 150 square plus rho square, not plus 1.043 square. Its value comes around 156.59. Alpha is equal to 156.59 is the image frequency rejection ratio. IMRR or IRR. Example number 5. In a broadcast super heterodyne receiver having no RF amplifier, the loaded Q of the antenna coupling circuit at the input to the mixer is 80. If the intermediate frequency is 455 kHz, calculate the image frequency, its rejection ratio 1000 kHz. Image frequency and rejection is at 50 MHz. They provided Q and IF, and you need to calculate image frequency and its rejection ratio 1000 as well as 50 MHz. And 455. Take a blank page. Q is equal to 80, IF is equal to 455. Case 1, when Fs equal to 1400, its value 1000. What is image frequency? SI. Fs plus IF 1000 plus 455, that is 1455 kilo. And image frequency rejection ratio, for that you need to calculate rho. Before that, rho is equal to Fsi by Fs minus Fs by Fsi. What is Fsi? 1455 divided by 1000 minus 1000 by 1455. Its value comes around 2 times of F. Sorry, we did a mistake here. Wait for a while, I'll check. Fsi is equal to 2IF, that is 2 into 455, and we will get 1910. 1910 divided by 1910, its value comes around 1.386. The value of rho is 1.386. Then alpha, image frequency rejection ratio, is equal to 1/1 plus Q square by rho square. Here it is 8, Q is the 8, 1.386 is the alpha. Then its value is 110.88, 80 or 8, 80 not 8, 110.88. It's not 8 square, it is 80 square. Q they provide 80, right? 110.88. It is IRR, image frequency rejection ratio alpha, for fs equal to 1000. When fs equal to 25 megahertz, right? Second case is when fs equal to 50 megahertz. Case 2, fs equal to 5 megahertz. Take empty page. FSI is equal to fs plus if. To if, what is fs? 27 mega plus 2 into if, 2 into 455, that is 27 mega plus 910 kilo, or this is also equal to 27 mega plus 0.91 mega. Finally the FSI is equal to 27.91 mega. Then rho, if you calculate rho, you can calculate alpha directly. Rho phi equal to 1 plus q square into rho square, where rho is equal to FSI by fs minus fs by fsi, that is equal to 27.91 by 27 mega minus 27 by 27.91. This value is 27. Mega na, sorry. Case 2, it's not 27 mega, it is 50 mega. It's 50 mega. We'll get 50.91. divided by 27. 50 mega. 50 mega. 50 by 50.91 mega. Right, once again. Rho is equal to 50.91 by 50 minus 50 by 50.91. This value comes around 0.036. 0.036. And image frequency rejection ratio. Image frequency rejection ratio is given by alpha is equal to under root of 1 plus q square into rho square. Take a new page. Image frequency rejection ratio IRR is equal to 1 plus q q square 80 square plus, not plus, into 0.036 square, then its value is around 3.049. 3.049 is the image frequency rejection ratio for case 2, that is when fs equal to 50 mega. In this way we can calculate, we can solve problems on image frequency and its image frequency rejection ratio. In the next session I am going to start teaching about problems on power density, electric field intensity. Right. So before finishing I will revise the formulae related to image frequency and its image frequency rejection ratio. When you take a super heterodyne receiver, the first block is RF amplifier whose output is connected to mixer, and mixer also gets one of the inputs from local oscillator, and the output of mixer is given to IF amplifier. Here the IF amplifier is fixed, the mixer output is always maintained as 455 such that the mixer gets the difference between local oscillator and RF amplifier output. The RF amplifier output is F0, Fs, and output of local oscillator is F0. F0 is equal to Fs plus 2IF. So when you want to tune Fs, then the local oscillator is adjusted in such a way that it is excess of Fs plus IF. Fs plus IF. Then F0 equal to Fs plus IF, and Fsi is equal to F plus 2 times of IF, and its rejection ratio alpha is equal to under root of 1 plus q square into rho square, where q equal to resonant frequency by bandwidth, and rho is equal to ratio of Fsi Fs minus Fs and Fsi. In general, the image frequency rejection ratio has got a derivation or definition. So gain at image frequency divided by gain at desired signal frequency. With this I will stop. In the next session we are going to discuss about problems on your power density, field intensity. Let us see what are the objectives in engineering applications. Simple problems related to noise, signal to noise ratio, noise figure, simple problems on total power and carrier power, simple problems on AM equation and bandwidth, simple problems on FM equation and bandwidth, problems on image frequency rejection ratio of receivers. We covered 5 topics. Next topic is problems on power density and electric field intensity of electromagnetic waves. Power density, electric field intensity of EM waves will be discussed in the next class. Meanwhile, you go through all the problems which were already solved in our online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.